We're gonna go to the top of the mountain and have a refreshing beverage. This is fun. Pretty not bad. That's not awesome. What the sh*? There's two of them. No hands, Mom. Don't tell my mom. She'll be mad.
Previously on Lost.
He's a brand new rider, so we're taking it easy today. There it is. Beautiful. Oh, baby! We're doing it. Technically private property, and you're technically not supposed to go down to it, but I technically don't give a shit. So here we are at Klickitat Lake. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, you alright? You okay?
And now the conclusion.
Interesting day, interesting day. It's always an adventure when we go riding, you know? Always an adventure. We're gonna go to the top of the mountain and have a refreshing beverage. That'll be good stuff. Cool bridge. There he's gonna get muddy. Not getting around those puddles. There he comes. This will be more fun. Better footage to watch him navigate some tighter, more shittier stuff. So we've been to Klickitat Lake before, previous video, which I will link for you. And the sequel to that video, the second part, we went up to an overlook, which is where we're headed right now, assuming we can still get up there. Cool view, nice place to stop and have a snack and chill for a minute and just relax. Sliding around some. You're gonna learn that middle's not where you want to be. So tell me about your first time out riding in the woods. First time on a motorcycle in less than ideal conditions. How'd it go for you? Got any memorable early on mistakes? I made more than a few. Most of mine are on video. He's got good traction. So that's helpful. You need to stay on the road, which normally wouldn't be a concern if you hadn't just whiskey throttled into a rock right in front of me. So I guess that's a little concerning. But slow and steady wins the race. I'm ruining decent footage by rambling. That's what I do. Welcome to Dork on the road. You got it? He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Cool beans. This way. Alright, little hill. No big. A bit more overgrown than last time we were here. We got all these chutes. This is fun. Sorry, I would go faster. I'm just trying to keep an eye on him behind me. Make sure we don't lose him. Still back there, pushing through. This is really grown up, man. It's only been like 6 months since I was here, if that. A few months, and we're out of it. We're getting a view right here. Getting a view. And this grass is high. No one's driving their trucks in here. It would not be this tall. Crazy to me. Pretty not bad. Pretty not bad. Pretty not bad. There he comes. He made it. He made it. I'm gonna give you guys a view of this before I get off. It's a little overgrown, but not bad. Not bad. Actually been over there. Here you are, up on top of the world. Thank you. My phone is working again. No, it isn't. Yeah. Here we are, chilling. Gonna enjoy a snack and a beverage while we look at this view. Alright, we're bushwhacking. Bushwhacking our way out. This is neat. There's so many seeds from these plants on my seat right now. It's kind of hilarious. You want to lead down? I'm going underneath. Okay. Hey. Somehow knocked it out of gear. Explain that to me. That was more than I wanted. That scared the piss out of me. This is an alternate path. It's more fun.
Yeah, I'm just swiping the puzzle off my face.
Oh yeah, you don't want to hit those too hard.
No, you hit it.
How did I got you?
Yeah. Look at my jacket, look at my goggles.
Oh, I'm so pissed you don't have a camera. Also, I'm sorry, that was an accident. I was just trying to get around you fast so you didn't swerve into me. You can splash me next time we see a puddle. I wasn't expecting that to happen. You don't ever see cars up here. Yeah, this will do nicely. I just want proof that I can do it. That's all. And I don't want any Subarus coming by while I'm doing it. Hi. Well, you're not going to have any luck turning around right here. You backing out?
I didn't bring my gun. I was going to.
Someone's been trying to shoot that lock off the gate. What a bunch of dicks.
Look, that's you.
Sorry. I'm sorry. That was not my intention, if that helps. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wreck now because I'm thinking about it too hard. Scare the piss out of myself, but I'll do a couple passes, so.
Take one. Wheelie time.
Almost fucked it up that time. Almost fucked it up that time.
That was a good one.
He's got it. at it. Our shooty friends are mostly gone. A few still left. Here it is. Here's Chad's Rock. The old Cadillac Rock. That's what we're gonna name it right there. Cadillac Rock. Cadillac Rock. We're 4 miles from the top if you want to go see it. Oh, it's all road. You good with that? It's probably worth a look. We're going to go up to the top and see the top of the mountain because we're only 4 miles away and it's open. It was closed last time I was here on the Africa Twin, if you remember. I'm gonna put my bike right there and take a picture. You ready? All right, here we go. I thought you were ready. Not that ready. Cool waterfall. Kind of a gorgeous view right here. I'll tell you that. Look at this. Look at it. Look where we are. Look where we are. Unbelievable. Look at that. Kind of want to ride off through that field, but I'm sure it's frowned upon. In fact, I know it is. Some guys got arrested for doing it in their trucks not that long ago. And the snow up here. Let's poke into the campgrounds, as some of you maybe never seen the Mary's Peak campground. Slight detour. This is the Mary's Peak campground. Closed for the season, but let's look at it. Oh, I bet the gate's closed. No, it's open. It's open. It's kind of grown in some. This was pretty new a couple years ago and there was no foliage. I don't like how close together and how there's no privacy between the campsites. I don't really dig it. Wouldn't be bad if you had the place to yourself. I don't think. It connects to a lot of trails up here too, kind of neat. It's very small. It's like 10 sites or something. Anyway, that's the campground. Not bad. It's not bad. Not bad. That's not awesome. What the shit? There's two of them. Wow, people are assholes. It's less than ideal porta potty placement. You can't tell, but that's like way down a hillside. I just want to make sure I get decent footage of these porta potties. So we're here on the edge of the mountain and they are not. There's 1, 2, and there's 2 more down here. Down the hillside. Doors open and everything. So, prevailing theory is that it's the wind. We've had pretty crazy windstorms, but I don't know. What if it's douchebags? Could be douchebags. My brother is a rock star because he climbed a mountain on a Hawk 250 like a boss. No big deal. After wrecking it, I have to add, after wrecking it, he climbed a mountain on a Hawk 250. Let's motor back down, I guess. Head that direction. waterfall again. Kind of cool. There's water. It's falling. It's rad. This is me trying to ride with no hands in neutral down this hill. It's really stupid. So, you know, give it a shot next time you're on your own. Steering around these corners is interesting. Man, it's all about leaning though. This is sketch, dude. I don't know if I can do this one this tight. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put my hands on the bars, but it's like exactly the right steepness to keep me at a constant speed. It's kind of good, actually. I'm not really accelerating. I want to pull over here maybe and take a picture because that looks really pretty. Yeah, dude. No hands, Mom. Don't tell my mom. She'll be mad. Hey, look, Ma, no hands. Everything's coming up pieces. Hey, look, Ma, I made it. Don't go off the edge, bro. That's not good. I put it in neutral and tried to see how far I could go with no hands. That was fun. Apparently, I'm just doing all kinds of dumb shittery today. That's true. You set the bar pretty high. Yours was an accident, though. It's not really dumb shittery unless you do it on purpose. It was definitely an incident, an occurrence. All right, we're almost there. All right, we're back at the truck. We survived. A little worse for wear, but we made it. How was your first riding adventure?
It was good. Just testing out the Hawk. Haven't rode it really at all. So that's the first time I rode that at any speeds and on the road and everything. So it's good.
It's a hell of a test you put it through.
Yeah, we did a little test and we did some heelys, some little hills, and so that's good what we know about now.
Yeah, awesome. So you're excited to keep riding that thing in the woods?
Yeah, I'm ready to go right now.
All right. Well, so you were here for the very first time. All told, I think you did a damn good job for your first time. I was definitely way worse. I've ridden with a lot of first timers that didn't do as well as you just did. So.
Did they do any flipsies?
Well, I mean, crashing into a giant rock and flipping over the handlebars aside, which I really hope we got on video.
Me too.
But thank you for watching. I just want to say it. I already said it. If you like the video, or if you want to wish my brother a speedy recovery, hit that like button. Those likes really make the video more visible, help the channel grow. And if you got any comments or suggestions for the Chad here, Chadillac himself, I'm sure he'll be hanging out in comments responding, so leave those below. But for now, and as always, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Thank you to my patrons for all of your support. Their names are on the screen right now. But please, do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Yay.
Excellent!
Oh, there's some dirt on my lens. I wonder how long that's been there, because that makes for a real shitty video for a long time.
Such good vid when that happens.